अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहने की इम्पोर्टेंस हम सभी जानते हैं और उसी के साथ आपको एक ऐसा नेबरहुड मिल जाए जो आपको टुगेदरनेस एंड होमली फीलिंग दे। एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जो फोकस करता है आपकी कम्युनिटी लिविंग पर एंड माइंडफुल लाइफस्टाइल विथ योर वेलनेस। Welcome to PropWeb, and today we present to you Arcade Nest, a project surrounded by greenery in your home, Mulund West. जैसा कि आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, ऑनगोइंग कंस्ट्रक्शन एकदम जोरों शोरों से यहाँ पर चल रहा है। लोकेटेड इन सर्वोदया नगर, आर्किड नेस्ट offers you seamless connectivity right from GMLR and LBS Road। यहाँ से सिर्फ 2 मिनट्स के डिस्टेंस पर है। प्रपोज मेट्रो लाइन भी यहाँ से 5 मिनट्स के डिस्टेंस पर है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, ईस्टर्न एक्सप्रेसवे कैन बी कनेक्टेड इन 10 minutes, and so are the railway stations like Mulund and Nahur. Apart from this, renowned schools Sri Ravi Shankar और इसी के साथ सेंट मैरीज भी यहाँ से walking distance पर है, and Fortis Hospital भी। So all these locations offer you a daily commute in a breeze. Giving you the project overview, spread across 2 acres of the land parcel, 6 towers in total, G+22-story building, 2 and 3 BHKs available, 1 basement parking and 4 levels of podium parking. You have eco deck and ground level amenities with 20+ amenities like swimming pool, multi-purpose court, yoga deck, and many such amenities provided by this project. Talking about the developers now, Arcade developers with a legacy of 39 years, 31 successful projects, 10 ongoing projects, and 6 upcoming projects in Western and Central Line like Goregaon, Malad, Ville Parle. They have successfully delivered their projects. So now they are coming to your home in Mulund with this project. And now I'll be taking you to the sample flat. You're entering into the sample flat of 3 BHK with carpet area 951 square feet, and this is our glamorous living room. Here is your living area for your couch, settlement, and for your TV unit as per your requirement. And here can be your beautiful and premium dining area for 6 to 8 seater dining set easily. So now हम enter कर रहे हैं हमारे 56 square feet के deck में, जो कि attached आपको अपने living area से मिलता है। Very beautiful, and you can enjoy the beautiful mountain views of the eastern from your deck in your living area. So this is our living room. Now let's move on. अभी हम जाएंगे हमारे वेरी स्पेशियस डबल प्लेटफॉर्म किचन में। एज यू कैन सी, इट इज वेरी ह्यूज एंड दिस कैन एक्चुअली ऑक्यूपाई अ रूम। इतना बड़ा किचन है यहाँ पर। यू ऑल्सो गेट फ्रेंच विंडोज फॉर वेंटिलेशन, एंड आपका ड्राई स्पेस भी यहाँ पर मिल जाता है फॉर योर वॉशिंग मशीन। And now right in front here, we are getting into our common washroom. Comes with premium fittings and vitrified tiling given to you the same way. Moving on now, we are getting into the kids' bedroom firstly, or can be the guest bedroom accordingly. Very well utilized, zero wastage flat है ये. You get French windows for ventilation, and आप इसको occupy कर सकते हैं very efficiently. So through the passage, now we are moving into the master bedroom number 1. All the master bedrooms here are almost 130 to 120 square feet, which is very spacious in size. So as you can see, very spacious. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत बड़ा passage भी मिल रहा है apart from your bed. Comes with attached washroom, premium fittings and vitrified tiling given to you the same way. So now moving on to the master bedroom number 2, or you can call it master bedroom debut. Very spacious, size 10 by 15 का ये master bedroom है आपका, and also comes with luxurious attached washroom with premium fittings given to you the same way. So this was our 3 BHK sample flat for you, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 1.70 CR plus taxes, and 3 BHK starting from 2.26 CR plus taxes. They also have a very efficient payment plan in the name of Shubharam, जिसमें they have a tagline your home your payment plan. Very flexible, and they also have in-house bankers जो आपका loan और other facilities भी बहुत easily provide करेंगे. So for booking purpose and site visit, contact us today on the given information below. Until next time, thank you.